So today we're in Gran Canaria and we're just going to have a look around these little streets. So in my mind, these streets are very narrow. Imagine driving your car down that street and another car was coming the other way. So there's a bar. Now it looks very dark in there, but I suppose it's cool, isn't it? You know what I mean? It's not, don't get too sunny, whatever the word is. It's God's or man's air conditioning. Put no windows in. So this is quite hilly here. So that's, I say, this is a bar and got a coffee place, you know, tapas. And so they all seem to have these roof terraces, and there's some cactus on that roof terrace, I don't know if you can see it. Cacti. So they've put a few plants on there. You could put about a couple of plants of Maria, couldn't you? Maybe a few cactus. So today is, I think it's the 9th of December and the year 2023. And so there's the traditional type building, roof terrace, and you're downstairs. Nice wooden door. That actually looks like some office there. I think it said it's for sale or something there. I can't quite read it because it's Spanish and it's also got a bar over it. So there's would be your living quarters there, and above you be a terrace. And what goes on at the back of the building, but there's one. To me, it looks like it needs a bit of TLC. Right. So there's another bar here. So I think they were like blow-ins, you know, people from another city or another country, and those people we just passed, they were talking about 1 week and no progression. Maybe they need some work on their apartments, and it's not happened. Well, it is Spain, they always say man and more. So there. So there's another bar here. See, they all have the roof terrace, which is a great idea, isn't it, you know? So there's another bar. So today I'm using a selfie stick. I don't always use it, like, so if you're in the city centre, you know, like, for instance, Glasgow or, you know, whatever, someone could easily steal your phone on a selfie stick, which people have tried, believe it or not. I think it was in Glasgow, whatever, you know, quick reaction and didn't get it. But the same would happen, you get people trying to rob you in every city. Not only Scotland, London. So there's another bar. I haven't been to London since 2018. I must make a visit there, do a few videos. Oh, there's another bar, Bazaar, it looks like. That's a nice building, that green one, isn't it? And that is a butcher's. think it's a butcher's anyway, and it's open Sunday today. So I was saying, maybe we were born here, maybe we lived here, maybe you're thinking of moving here, maybe you're thinking of coming on holiday. I say there's one thing I hate, wheelie bins. There they are, wheelie bins. Well, the bins on wheels anyway. So there's not a lot of traffic pollution here. I mean, if you listen, you can hear people talking, which is unusual. And mostly hear cars, but we are getting more near the centre just here, so the cars will build up. Still people working on the Sunday. You can hear if it's a chainsaw, not a chainsaw, those things that cut wood. A big wheel that goes round. Circle of saw, that's it, yeah. So it's amazing, it's such a small island, wherever you go you end up back, well, you normally end up back where you started from, or somewhere you recognise. And this is where I'm staying, which is fucking amazing really, isn't it? This is actually where I'm staying. So just to prove I'm not kidding you. I did not know I was going to end up here. Look at that. So there it is. There's all the bikes. And so thanks for watching. Maybe put a like for me, maybe put a comment. Thanks.